This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Afternoon, guys. It's 8 to know what's up, you guys. So right now, look at how much snow we have still. We still have snow. What? It's going away slowly, but surely. But look at this. Look how big that is, you guys. Look how big the mountain is. Like, you can't even see half of the building, and that's gonna be really, really difficult to see. And I don't know why they blew it over there. But that's okay, you guys. So, what you guys been up to? So, I don't know what you guys want me to do today. I don't know what to have for lunch. I could have leftovers. Let's have leftovers, guys. Good old leftovers, you guys. Yeah, good old leftovers. Yeah, turn the light on so you guys can see me much better. Gonna have some leftovers, because leftovers is the best thing. I just had my something going off from that. Leftovers is the best thing to have, because it makes your life more fun. I don't know. So, I'm going to do some shaving after. I'm going to do some shaving when I'm waiting for my food to be ready. So, talk to you guys then. I just got done clean shaving, and now I'm just putting some vinegar and vinegar in the microwave so it kind of comes clean. So I don't have to worry about cleaning my microwave. I can just scrape it like that, so easy, and it's caked on so hard. And it's gonna smell like vinegar, but that's alright, you guys. Vinegar tastes so good. But that's what I'm doing, so talk to you guys when I'm done eating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. It was how to clean a microwave, which is really neat how to do it. So I taught you guys how to do it. So it's Go Dogs for One. Sign out. Peace out, guys. See you guys back in the future. Have a good day. Goodbye.